Hey guys, it's brigadoonslimes. Welcome back to another video. I'm back and sorry for not posting in a while. I've been super busy, but here's a new video for you. Today I'm going to be reviewing my Happy Hobby slimes on Instagram, and I bought 2 of her slimes that I'm so excited to show you. So this first one is called Apple Jacks, and it is super thick and glossy. As you can see, it's so thick it makes my tripod like shake. And it has these cute beads on top and some brown glitters, and the scent is everything. It smells so good, just like apples and cinnamon. Oh, I said that weird, cinnamon, and it's just so mouth-watering. This one was one of my most favorite slimes in my whole collection. And the next one is Melona Milk Tea. I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyways, it's a green slime that is also super thick and glossy. It's more stretchy than Apple Jacks, which I really love, and its bubble pops are amazing. The scent is so nice. It's very fruity. It's supposed to be scented like honeydew, which I'm definitely getting. Also with a little bit of like coconut and tropicalness. So yeah. This one is also extremely thick. I think I might have mentioned that already, but yeah. I also wanted to mention that her packaging was super nice and professional. It had bubble wrap and it was in a box. And then there was a candy extra, borax, and a business card. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like so that I know if you liked it, and it helps me out a lot. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already for more videos like this, and turn on notifications so that you can get alerted whenever we have a new video.